Hello, you're welcome back to my channel. So have you always been thinking that how do YouTube always calculate the watch hour time that every YouTubers we always have issues with? And then today we're going to be talking about YouTube watch hour calculation. How I'm going to be showing you how you can break it down and have the best watch time on YouTube. So if this is your very first time of watching video on this channel, please do like to subscribe to this channel and like this content and drop a good comment. So today we're going to be talking about how you can have a good calculation with your video on your YouTube studio. You check your analytics and then you know how many views you need to have before you can reach the 4,000 watch hour that YouTube requests as a criteria to get monetized on YouTube. And then let's dive into the show for today. So with what every one of us we know that 4,000 watch hour is requested from us. The very first thing that we're going to be doing on this board here that I have today, that's why I have this whiteboard so that we can have the calculation together, is we need to first convert to minutes. We need to convert to minutes, and then that is what we're going to be doing. So we have convert to minutes, convert to minutes. So now you're going to be doing 4,000, which is the 4,000 watch hour that is requested from you from YouTube, multiplied by 60 minutes, multiplied by 60 minutes, which is going to give you 240,000 minutes. 240,000 minutes. And then once you have this, which is the 240,000 minutes that YouTube requests from every YouTubers, then now you're going to estimate the views needed. Now that's the number two thing that we're going to be doing today, So we have estimate views needed. So you have estimate views needed. Then you are going to divide 240,000 minutes by your AVD. As a YouTuber, you should know what we call AVD. AVD is average view duration. Now what you are going to do is go to your YouTube studio. When you get to your YouTube studio, you are going to check for the average view duration of your videos. Is it 2 minutes? Is it 3 minutes? Is it 4 minutes? Or 5 minutes? 10 minutes? 15 minutes? Then now you are going to use that minute to divide these 240 minutes. Let's have the example like you have 5 minutes now is the average duration on your video. Then you are going to have 240,000 divided by 5, and it's going to give you 48,000 views. So if you always have 5 minutes average view duration on every of your video, then you are going to divide it by 240 minutes that you have here, and then you are going to have 48,000 views. You are going to have 48,000 views before you can have the 4,000 watch hour. If this is your first time of watching video on this channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video and share it, and also drop a good comment for this video. And then let's take a look at if you have 10 minutes equals to 240,000 divided by 10, which will surely give you 24,000 views. If you are just joining this video, you can see that we said the average view duration is 5 minutes or 10 minutes or 15 minutes. The longer your video is, so you now have 240,000 divided by 10 will give you 24,000 views. So you have to have 24,000 views before you can have the 4,000 watch hour. Now, as a YouTuber, what are things that you need to do to quickly get this watch hour that it is easier as I break it down here for you? Number one thing that you have to do is post a longer video. Post video like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, even 20 minutes. This will give your video a good average view duration. It will give your video average view duration, a high good average view duration. That is, your video is going to have a good views from there. And then number two thing that you can do is try to increase your average view duration. As a YouTuber, try to increase it by posting regularly. When you post regularly, it will let the YouTube algorithm to understand your channel and also push your video, recommend your video to the right and appropriate viewers. And the number three thing is create a playlist on your channel. Create a playlist on your channel. By doing this, it will let people to as well see more of videos that you have on your channel. Playlist will also give you the chance to get more subscribers and also get more views on every of your video. Creating playlist as well will help your videos to get recommended by YouTube algorithm. And then another one is to optimize SEO. Optimize SEO. Optimize SEO. Optimize SEO. That is, you have to do what? Optimize what? The SEO. That is, using tags, using right keywords, and using right description. So if this video has helped you in one or two ways, please kindly like this video, share this video, and drop a good comment. And then I'm going to drop another video the next time. Thank you.